it's Brklyn. We're doing something different today. We're outside! So, for the iPhone 13 review, we decided to take a little hike. My brother's super happy with me because we got really good hiking shoes on today. We'll see if I can get to the top because we're about to test out the iPhone 13 camera, some of the video features, and the battery life. So let's get started. Started at the bottom, now we're here. Yes, I made it with my heels on, and I need to say we might be re-recording this part because it is a little bit windy up here. It feels amazing, but for our mic and our sound is not so amazing. So we might be re-recording this. Also need to say that when I thought we were doing an iPhone review, going on a little hike, my brother said, I was like, okay, I'll just look cute. It's fall time, we'll be outside. Well, we've been hiking now for an hour, and I promise I'm not a girly girl, and I do like to wear like sweats and jerseys. I love football and love to be comfy. So I definitely could have done that, so I'm a little bit mad at myself, but shout out to me for wearing the heels and getting through this hike. I guess we'll see at the end. But also shout out to my brother for carrying all this stuff up here so we could record this. The iPhone 13. We have not really tried out the cameras yet of the iPhone 13, but so that's why we're outside. We wanted to see. I've tried a little bit inside, but not outside. I have shot a few pictures on my iPhone 12. It does only have the two lenses. And then recording right now, we have the iPhone Pro. The iPhone Pro has been awesome. You guys will see throughout this video some of our shots we've gotten with the three lenses, and we tried out different shots with the three lenses too. I gotta say, the cinematic mode, I did not expect it to be that pretty. It has looked so good. You guys will see. I'm obsessing over it. The iPhone Pro is awesome. If I liked the weight of the iPhone Pro, I definitely would have that, but the weight of the iPhone 13 feels better in my hands, so that's why I have the iPhone 13. I also like the pink color. But camera is phenomenal. And then I wanted to talk a little bit about the battery life since we went on a hike and have been using our phones to take pictures and record. The battery life has been awesome. I still have, I have 60%, which I actually didn't start the day fully charged. So I started the day at 70%, so it's only taken 10%. Yeah, I know, I'm a loser. I didn't charge my phone last night. But that's pretty cool. We actually released a video yesterday, and usually those mornings my phone percentage goes down like a lot. By like 12 p.m. it's already at 40%. And yesterday was awesome. It only got to, I think it was like 80% by 12 o'clock. And so it doubled what it usually is. So sorry guys, still out of breath from this hike. But the battery has been awesome. I have definitely noticed a difference. I know we always look for the camera to be better and the battery to be better. I can testify that the iPhone 13 camera is better and the battery is better with the Pro and the iPhone 13. With the iPhone Pro, you do get that third lens with the 3x zoom. Out here, obviously, it's been amazing. For my personal life, I don't really need the 3x lens. I don't use zoom a lot. But if you're a mom or you're a dad and you're at one of your kids' sporting events or activities and you want to zoom in, you might want that because the quality is so awesome. That third lens really makes a difference. And yeah, sometimes I miss not having that third lens. Last year with the iPhone 12, they came out with MagSafe, which is so great. They also have it with the iPhone 13. So I talked about how great the battery is, but we're just doing a little half-day thing. But if we were out like hiking all day, this little extra battery accessory is awesome. It's just a portable MagSafe charger. And if I was like at Disneyland or something, I would say that most people might not need it. They're not going to use their full battery. But this is a little extra security blanket. Really awesome. With all the excitement of the iPhone 13 coming out, I think we kind of forgot about how cool MagSafe is. Even just like using the charger at night, the MagSafe charger, or the wallet, or this little extra battery we have here. Which if you have one of the older phones like the 10 or the 8 or the 7, you don't have this really cool rad feature. Okay guys, we are gonna trek back down this mountain. We have some more videos coming out about we're gonna have some fun with the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 Pro. So go ahead and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys drooled over this video because holy crap, the cameras are amazing. Thanks again.